In order for your student to be able to sign into the Google Classroom, I'm pretty sure you need to be either using a computer or a Chromebook or some device like that. I'm not sure if it works on iPads or other tablets or phones. So if you're trying to do this on a phone and it's not working, then switch to a regular computer or a Chromebook. Anyway, once you open up your browser, go on to Google. If you look over to the right, you will see the waffle, and nobody's signed in right now. So I'm going to click on the waffle, and I'm going to click Drive, any one of the apps, and now it's going to ask me to choose an account. You might have a whole host of accounts on here, like I do. You want to use your student's account. So where it says use another account, you would select that. And with the window that pops up, you would type in your student's, actually your student knows how to do this probably, they've been signing in so much this year. Have them put in their district Gmail and their password, okay? Anyway, you don't need to create an account. Once they are signed in, it might take them to this screen where they have to log in through the portal, just like I'm doing. I'm not quite sure what it'll look like for them. If it does, just have them go ahead and log in. And then when you open it up, when you look up here, it should have the picture or the first initial of your child, of their first name. Sometimes Google will default to whoever the default login is. It might be a parent or somebody else in the family. And if that happens, you just need to click here again and tell it, no, I really do want my child's account to be open. Just click on it again, and then it'll refresh and all their options will be there. Because if it's logged into anybody but your child's account, if you go to the Google Classroom, this is not going to come up. It's going to say, hey, log into your first class or something like that. All right, so if that comes up, again, you just have to come over here, switch out of whatever account this is, and find your child's account and click on that. That should get you into the Google Classroom.